Imagine an explosion so powerful that it could stretch across light years of space. The biggest explosion ever seen in the universe. AT-2021 LWX, a fireball 100 times the size of our solar system. If AT-2021 LWX were as close to us as Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light-years away, it would outshine the full moon by far. In fact, it would be visible even during the day, casting shadows at night and making the stars around it look dim. It would be like having a second sun in the sky, but one that is much more unstable and terrifying.